Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Look at these pretty little stars. Let's make it. So take a square paper and start folding it like this. Again flip it and fold it like this. We are making crease here, so again open it like this and make more folds. After that we are going to make 5 such pieces and paste all of them one after another and make a star shape. Now we are going to press it like this and look, it is ready. Look at these beautiful star-shaped sticks. Let's make it. We are folding a pink graph paper like this. Fold it from its corners. Again fold it. Now cut it. When you open it, you will get a pentagon. We are going to make a star. So fold it like this. Look how we are doing here. Again, we are going to fold it and make a crease like this. We are going to fold it again and look, you will get a beautiful star like this. Flip it and look, it is ready. We are going to again fold it from its corners and finally your star is ready. After this, we are going to paste it in a ring and look, your stick is ready. Look at these beautiful flowers. Let's make it. Take a square craft paper and start folding it like this. Again start folding it from its corners and make a shape like this. After that we are going to make more such shapes and paste all of them together. Open it and look, your flower is ready. You can make more such flowers. Let's make this pyramid shapes. We are folding a rectangular shape of paper in 3 parts. Again fold it from its sides like this and start folding it again in the same way like this. We are making a crease here so that we can get a 3D shape. Open it and then we are going to start folding it like this. Tuck it inside and look, your pyramid shape is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.